digital rights management. So this is the topic. So we know assets. So everybody is having the asset. So we have the assets. So by using the asset, that means assets is having a value, and using the assets we can make money. So this already everybody knows this concept. So the assets we can divide into two types. So the first one is tangible assets, and second one is intangible assets. So tangible assets means you can see through your eyes. So intangible assets we cannot see. So like your knowledge, okay, or any intellectual property like that. Now, so this tangible assets again we can divide into two types. One is moving and another one is fixed assets. So moving assets means like the car or bike, okay, whatever the vehicles we are having which is moving, and fixed assets, the buildings, house, all these things. So we already, it's a well known fact, everybody knows that you can make money out of this moving asset and by using the fixed asset. So if I have a house, I can rent the house and I can make a money from that. The same thing, moving asset, that means if I have a car, I can rent it out and I can make money. So this part everybody knows, even a common man knows about this. But as a intellectuals, we are moving to the next part. So how we can make money by using the intangible assets. So the intangible assets are the digital contents or your videos, okay, or anything which is coming, okay, created by using your knowledge. So mostly it is going to be the digital one. So how we can rent it out or we can make money out of this. So this is going to be the concept, digital rights management. So digital, so we have the rights because we are going to create, and how we can manage. So this is digital rights management concept. Now, so let me enter into the slides. So this is the content, a very simple content. So what is digital management? That means digital rights management. What are the components available here? Then what is the architecture of that DRM? And I am going for a live example by using KDP. So KDP is Kindle Direct Publishing. This is coming under Amazon. So they are having an options. You can publish your content, digital contents. You can publish here and you can make the benefits. That means you can get the royalty from there. Okay. So this is the KDP as an example we are going to do, and a live demo using the KDP. How I can create a book. How can I publish a book, okay, in KDP in just in 15-20 minutes, okay, we can finish it, and final conclusion will be there. So this is the table of content. Now let me go for the digital rights management, okay, a simple definition. So what is this means? DRM refers to the technologies and strategies. So there are some technologies available in this, and also there are some strategies available in this. So using what you can do means, so use to control how your digital content is used. So this is created by you. So we are going to create the digital content. So how your digital content will be used, so that we are going to control and we are going to manage, okay, copied, used, copied, distributed, modified, so whatever it is. So how we are going to do this? So this entire concept is called, okay, digital rights management concept. So the major thing is the digital content. So you are going to create this digital content, somebody is going to use it, somebody is going to share it, somebody is going to copy it, okay, they can do anything, but it's not going to be free. Okay, I am not going to allow them to do it free of cost, okay, we can get something by using the DRM concept, digital rights management concept. Now, if you see, this is the components. So 4 different components available here. So the first component is a content provider, this is you and me. So who is developing the content? So I am developing the content, okay, it's 100-page content or 200-page content, whatever it is, I am making the content. Now I am going to give it, I cannot sell it directly because I am sitting in Namakkal. I want to sell my content all over the world. Globally I want to sell. Is it possible by sitting from Namakkal? Means it is not going to be possible. So what I am going to do means, I am going to find somebody who is going to be a distributor. So here today's case, we are going to take the distributor as the KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. So they are going to be the distributors. So you can make the content, prepare the content, give the content to the distributor. Now, so the distributor is going to have their own technologies, own methods, okay, whatever it is. So it is their responsibility. They are going to make your content available through everyone in the world. Okay, they will do something. So we no need to worry about it. If you just submit it, it is enough. Now, so the distributor is just distributing it through various channels. Now the consumers, users. So a particular user from any other country, okay, he wants that particular content, means he is going to buy or he is going to read Even if sometimes if the users read that books, you will get money, you will get the royalty. So they can do anything. So the consumer is going to do something, okay, he can buy that or he can read it, okay, he can copy from that, so he can do anything. Now for that he is going to pay. So he needs the license to do that. That means the consumers, they need a license to copy or to edit, okay, whatever it is, but it is not going to be free, it's going to be paying. So by paying that, okay, some amount is going to do, that means the consumer is going to access your content. Then, so this amount, whatever he is paying, it is going to the clearing house. So the clearing house, okay, for example, we can say it's a Visa, okay, or MasterCard, so whoever it is, so they are just paying something there. Now, so 100 rupees you got it for this particular service means from the consumer, okay, the clearing house is going to pay the royalty fee for you, okay, for example 60 rupees for you, and for the distributor for Amazon, okay, it is going to be the 40%. So this is how the DRM is working. So is it true? Means yes, okay, I am going to show it how it is working and how we can okay, design a content, how we can upload it. So this is the architecture. So the architecture shows how all the 4 components, we saw the 4 components, that 4 components are arranged in this way. Okay, so it's an architecture. This architecture is focusing on security basis. That means you need, okay, identity management. So identity management means everybody needs a username and password. So I am a content creator means I need a username and password. So you are a consumer means you need a username and password, and also the clearing house, they will be having some username and password. So everybody should have a identity management, content management, rights management. So these are all the different components based on security I am giving. So this is not very useful for this particular group of audience. Okay, we can skip this. Okay, so we understand what is a digital rights management. So this is a website, KDP Amazon.com. So KDP means Kindle Direct Publishing. Okay, so if we go to this website, there are lot of websites available. I am taking KDP as an example. So this is the first page. So you can go and create your own username and password. That means you can join here by using the KDP log. Okay, so you can just log in, creating the account. So you have to give your name, email ID, passwords, and then re-enter the password. So basic data it is collecting from you. So once you become a user of that particular website, KDP means you are going to get this particular screen. This is called the dashboard. So in the dashboard, okay, you can see the options available: book shelf, reports, community, and marketing. So these are the 4 options given to us. I need to create my own content. Okay, so I am the user. Okay, just think about that 4 components. So I am the user. So distributor is available. This is the distributor. So in the distributor, I am going to give my content. I am submitting my content to the distributor. So the distributor is going to sell it. Okay, so market clearing agency is going to collect the money, and clearing agency is going to set the money, settle the money for both. Okay, so I am just going for, this is my dashboard. Okay, so distributor. So book shelf is available. Here you can create all your books, content, whatever it is, you can create it here. And this is the report. So report means like sales report, how much of money you earn, okay, how much of the royalty you got. So all the information will be available in the report section. And community means like group of people. So you, for a particular topic, they can make a group, a community will be created, and they can share. Okay, this is a book published today, this material is very good. So they can publish some data here, they can share some data. So that is a community. And finally, you have an option called marketing. That means whatever you created here, you can go and you can do marketing here. Okay, so marketing is not free. It is not free. So for that, we have to pay from our pocket. So based on that, the distributor is going to market. They can do some advertisements like that. So this is how the websites will be available. Now, I'll go to that website. I already logged in my accounts. Okay, so this is my account, Kindle Direct Publishing. Okay, KDP. If you just give, okay, you will get this particular screen. Okay, that means you have to log in first. I already logged in. So this is my dashboard. So in the dashboard, you just go to the book shelf. So in the book shelf, you can create, okay, the books. So 10 page, I have a book, no issues. 100 pages, no issues. 1000 pages, no issues. So your digital content can be anything. Okay, so here size doesn't matter. Okay, so create, manage, and publish. So if you just click on that, it will automatically take you to the creating page, and already this is the bookshelf, the books that already published, okay, the books will be available here. Suppose if you published any books, so all the books, okay, the list you can find it here. This is called bookshelf. So these are all the books published by me. So now I'm just going for create new titles or series. So you can just click on that and you can go for a new book you can create. So this option gives you, there are 4 different options available here. One is called Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover, and then series of pages. So here you can go for any options you can select. So basically I never prefer Kindle ebook, okay, go for the paperback. So if you are going for paperback, they have to purchase the book. So they have to buy it as a physical copy, hard copy. So if you are going for the Kindle, so Kindle also you can publish. So the same book will be available as a soft copy. They cannot download from here, okay, but they can read it. Okay, they can read it here page by page. The users can read it. So for every page the user reads, okay, it's going to be accounted for your royalty. Okay, it will be counted for the royalty. So give more preference for the paperback. So because in paperback you will get an ISBN number. Okay, it will be freely given by the distributor. That means Amazon itself, they will give the ISBN number. But whereas if you go for a Kindle publications, okay, you will not get any ISBN number for your publications. Okay, now let me go for the paperback. So I just going for just create paperback. If you click on that, so it's giving a lot of options here. We will see one by one. So what is the language? The language of the book. So the title of the book. So you can enter the title of the book here, and if you have any subtitles, okay, so every book must have a subtitle nowadays. Okay, so you can go for a subtitle here, and if it is a continuous, already 2 books are published and you are going for the 3rd one, means you can make it as a series, or you can just leave that option. The series, it's an optional one. Then edition number. If you are doing any changes, edition number 1, 2, 3, 4, we can change the edition number here. Then the author details. So this is the very important one. So you can give your details, and if any other authors, up to 9 authors you can have. Okay, they are called contributors. So this is the main author. After the main author, you can have lot of contributors. Okay, maximum for a book we can have 10. So 10 authors. One main author will be available. 9 co-authors. We can say co-authors or contributors. Okay, contributors we can say 9 contributors maximum we can give here. Then description about the book. Okay, we can write up to 4,000 words of description you can give it for your book. Then the next one comes digital rights management. So the content is ready, title is ready, the author is ready, but we have not uploaded the content. Okay, as for this particular website, we have not uploaded. Now I am going for the digital rights management. Who is going to hold the digital rights here? So there are 2 different options available. So I want to give this book, okay, this content as a free one, means you can go for this public domain work. If you just click on that, it will be publicly available, anybody can read it, so you will not get any royalty for that. But here there are another option is, I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing rights. So if you click on this, okay, here the place where the digital rights management comes into the picture. So you are the complete owner, the user of this particular page, okay, that means we logged in. So by using that, you are becoming the complete owner. Okay, now I own the copyright, okay, I hold the necessary publishing rights. Then the next one is, there are some other information related to the security. So any abnormal things is available in this website, that means in your content, so you have to give it yes or no. Then primary marketplace, this is the very important one, where you want to sell this. Okay, it's giving a global space. Okay, if you go for .com, okay, it can cover the entire world. I don't want entire world, okay, I want to focus in particular region, means okay, you can go for the region also. Okay, I'm just going for amazon.com, you can see here, just if you click on that, so these are all the domains, okay, where you can sell your books. Okay, in India it is amazon.in. So if you are globally, if you are going, it is amazon.com. So where you want to, okay, sell your, that means your product should be displayed in which particular domain. Okay, so you can select any of these domain, .uk, okay, DE, FR, ES, IT, okay, there are plenty of domains available, you can see the huge list is available. Okay, I'm just going with com. Okay, so it should be globally. Okay, I'm going for globally, I'm going. So then you have to choose what is the category of this book, okay, in which category the book comes. Okay, if you just select, it will show, okay, computer science, means you can select computer science. So in that, what are the categories? Okay, you can select the book there. So this is the keywords. If anybody wants to search, so this is very important, indexing. So if anybody wants to search means, so what is the keyword you want, you can fix. Okay, these are all the 7 different keywords you can fix, maximum of, you can have this for your book. Then the publication date, okay, you can select, you can fix any date or automatically it will select the date. Then releasing the date, when you want to release this particular book, okay, releasing date. Yes, so we fill all the data in the first page. Just imagine, okay, edition number is there, okay, so who is the author of this book, okay, so I gave everything, and who is the contributor of this book, so I gave everything, description, okay, publishing rights, you can see here, I own the copyright, okay, I'm the owner, I'm owning the copyrights. So I'll just go for the next page so that you can see what is happening in the next page. I'm just going for the save and continue. The second tab, yeah, so in the second tab you can see here, automatically you will be assigned a ISBN number. So this ISBN number is having a value. Okay, any book published without the ISBN value will not be considered even for your profile writing. So you need a ISBN number for all the books. So here you can get very easily, okay, just like that, in one click you can get the ISBN number for your content. So the ISBN number is also available. Your book has been assigned a free KDP ISBN number, and this is the ISBN number given for this particular book. Okay, then the next one you can see here, print options. So what is the color of the print you want? So do you want the color content or you want to print the book in the black and white? So based on that, the printing cost will be added by Amazon. So I'm going for the black and white interior with white paper. Okay, the next one, what is the size of the book? So there are different sizes available, huge number of sizes available. Okay, so you have to choose what is the size for this book. You have to, if I change, okay, this book will be affected, okay, because it is in the live. Okay, the book is under live, so I cannot change anything. I'm just showing the things. So you can go for the size of the book. What is the size you want? Then bleed means like coming outside the margin. So bleed. Then matte finish or glossy finish, so shining or so what type of finishing you want. Okay, so all these things you can complete up to this. Then the next stage is very important. You have to upload your manuscript, your PDF file you have to upload. So before uploading, there is another option available. Okay, sample content, you can search in the same website, the sample content will be available. Okay, KDP, that means Amazon itself, they are giving a sample content file to you. Okay, you can download that file, and in that particular file you can do all the changes. So Word file you can download. In that Word file you can go and change your title of the book, okay, the authors, okay, ISBN number, all these things, changes you can do. Okay, that is called the template. Template will be available. Do all the changes in the template, convert the template into PDF. Okay, that will be better. Okay, because they will set all the margins correctly, everything. Okay, so now you can upload your PDF file. Okay, this is version 1.pdf. So I already uploaded that. Then the next part is going to be the cover part. So you can design the cover by yourself and you can upload it. They will give you a template for designing the cover, or you can use an option which is available here in Amazon itself. They are giving an option which is called Launch Cover Creator. So using this also you can create your cover. So usually creating cover by using this will be easy, but you will not have that much of attractiveness. So if you need more attractive, your cover should be more attractive means, so then go for the, you can design in your own way and you can upload it. Okay, but you have to follow the size, and in the cover ISBN number, that number should be available. Okay, the barcode should be available. Your cover should be designed in such a way. Okay, so this is, I'm just uploading the cover. Then do you have any AI generated content here? So when I uploaded this book, this option was not there. So we didn't select anything here, but now they are including this option. So do you have any AI generated, like for example if you use ChatGPT or etc anything, so you have to mention yes or no. Okay, now you can go for the next very important thing is fixing the price. So you can fix your price. So Amazon will give, okay, what will be the cost for printing the book based on the number of pages, based on the cover, if it is color or black and white, okay, type of paper, size of the book, with all these things Amazon will give you, okay, this is the printing cost for your book. Then after printing cost, what is the extra cost you want to add for your book, that can be decided by you. Okay, you can decide. For example, the printing cost is $5 means I want, okay, my book for $20. Okay, so you can add 20 plus 25 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25 will be your cost. In that 20, so they go for the royalty of 60-40. So that means for the content developers, so they are providing 60% of the royalty, and for the for the KDP they are taking the 40%, the remaining 40% will be taken. So this particular area is going to be very important, and you can see here printing cost $2.87 is the printing cost, okay, for this book, and they are giving it for all the regions. So if every region in the world, okay, for UK, okay, it is 2.7 pound. Okay, I think this is Denmark, France, okay, it's going on like this. This is Arab Emirates, AU, okay, Dubai, that means Middle East countries. So there it is $5.39. So for printing cost for your book is this. So $2.87 plus, okay, whatever the cost you are going to fix, okay, for the book. So that is going to be the price of the book. Okay, so this is given here. Okay, now let me go to the next one. So this printing cost you cannot change. So they will calculate depending upon the number of pages, as I already told all the information. So based on that they will calculate the printing cost. Okay, now the next one we are going for the core part of rights. That means the digital rights part. I am going for the last one. Okay, now so where you want to sell? Do you want to sell in all the territories, worldwide rights? You can go for the worldwide rights. No, I want to sell only in particular territories in India. Okay, that means Amazon.in. I want to sell the product means, okay, you can go for select the territory, whatever the territory you want, you can select it. Then the next one, private marketplace. Okay, next one is coming under the royalty cost. You can fix this. So already we know the printing cost of the book. So the printing cost we cannot change. So after that you can fix this particular price. So what is the price? Okay, you can fix it. Then you can go for the royalty type. Okay, what type of royalty is? Okay, so 50-50 royalty is there based on the content. 50-60 royalty is there. Okay, almost you will get minimum 50%. In some content you can go up to even 60% of the royalty also you can get it. So you can fix it. Once if you fix, they will give the split up for every region. Okay, for every territory they are giving. So in Amazon.com, okay, what will be the cost? What will be the printing? Okay, what will be the royalty you are getting? So all the data will come. Okay, you can increase and you can decrease any day. If I want to increase my cost, if the sales is good, I will increase another $5. Okay, no issues. The reason is the book cost is very cheap in India only. Other than India, the book, okay, the cost of the books are very high. Okay, a normal book in India you can buy it for 500 rupees, means the same book you can buy worldwide in other countries, it will be around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. So they are paying. Okay, so international cost of the book is very high. Okay, so now for every region they are showing, okay, what is the printing cost, what is the royalty for you, okay, how much of royalty you will get. So okay, the complete information will be given here. Okay, then you have to accept the terms and conditions. So if you submit everything, it will take 72 hours minimum to get back to you. Okay, they will check your content. All the content will be clearly verified. If there is any issues, okay, any copyright issues, if you copied from any other book, so all these things, okay, it will be verified, and within 72 hours, okay, you will get a confirmation mail. Okay, that means that your book is accepted. Then the next one, you can go for the request proof. So once everything is ready, the cover, content, pricing, okay, royalties, all these things are ready, means so you can request for a request a proof. Okay, proof request, they will show it on the screen itself, like in the form of a book. Okay, let me try, because this is a live book. Continue without save. Okay, it's live one, it will be affected. Okay, so you can request a proof, submit the proof request. This is all about, okay, so how we can sell our digital contents. Okay, and you can earn using your digital contents also.